If your air conditioner isn't cooling properly or smells dusty, it's usually the filter that's the issue. Here we'll show you how to clean your air conditioner filter safely. Cleaning these every few weeks ensures the air you breathe is clear and the electricity bills stay down. You don't need much for this, just a vacuum with a soft brush attachment, microfiber cloths and some warm soapy water. Step 1. Open it up. Make sure the power is off. Then you'll need to find the small notches on the side of the panel. Gently lift the cover up until it clicks into place. You'll find the filters right there. Next, slide the filters out. Most simply unclip from the bottom and slide down. Be gentle so you don't shake all the dust back into the room. Start by vacuuming the front of the mesh with a brush attachment on the vacuum. Then run the filter under the tap from the back side to prevent dirt from being pushed back into the filter. Shake off the excess water and let them air dry completely in the shade. While you wait, take a damp microfiber cloth and wipe the top of the unit. What is something people usually get wrong when cleaning their aircon filters? Many people make the mistake of drying aircon filters in direct sunlight. The UV rays damage the plastic mesh and make it brittle over time. I hope these tips help you get your home looking its absolute best. If you'd like to see more expert cleaning advice, follow our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and save for later. Or jump onto Airtasker, post a task and have a tasker come out today.